SOOW cord is rubber portable cord designed for industrial use. Because it's used in heavy-duty applications such as fire alarm controls, temperature control systems, motor leads, and remote control circuits for push-button stations, it offers many desirable characteristics. SOOW cord is weather-resistant and features oil-resistant insulation and jacketing. It also resists abrasion, aging, solvents, water, and ozone. These attributes make it very durable. SOOW cord is also flexible and flame retardant. It's rated to 600 volts. The SOOW specification supersedes other SO and SOW specs because it provides the most beneficial characteristics. For more information on these parts and others, or to submit orders and RFQs online, visit www.awcwire.com. These days, we all need to do our part to save the environment. Turning to solar energy is a great step. Not only does solar power reduce our carbon footprint, but now there are even more incentives to rely on renewable energy, including tax breaks, grants, and other financial incentives. Solar power is a great way to save the environment and save some money at the same time. But how does solar energy work? We've all seen the solar panels used to collect light and transform it into usable energy, but getting that energy to the end user takes specialized cable. Some of the most popular types of solar cable are USE2 wire and photovoltaic wire, PV wire for short. USE2 wire has been used outdoors for interconnecting photovoltaic modules for quite some time. PV wire is newer. It first appears in the 2008 edition of the National Electric Code, which says both single-conductor USE2 wire and PV wire are appropriate for use in outdoor photovoltaic arrays. Underwriters Laboratories now recommends PV wire for use in exposed applications, while USE2 wire is typically used underground. PV wire falls under the UL 4703 standard. USE2 wire is rated as RHH or RHW wire. PV wire and USE2 wire have similar constructions and performance characteristics, but there are some notable differences because of their distinct installation environments. USE2 is underground service entrance wire, commonly used to connect service equipment terminals. USE2 may only be used with grounded systems. PV wire may be used in both grounded and ungrounded photovoltaic arrays. Both PV wire and USE2 are rated at 600 volts, but PV can also be rated up to 1,000 or even 2,000 volts. In wet environments, PV and USE2 are both rated to 90 degrees Celsius, but PV wire can be used in dry conditions at temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. PV wire has a copper or tinned copper conductor, which is stranded to maintain flexibility. USE2 doesn't require the same flexibility, so its conductor may be stranded or solid. USE2 conductors are typically made of copper, aluminum, or copper-clad aluminum. USE2 has a minimum conductor size of 14 gauge, but PV wire is available in even smaller sizes, down to 18 gauge. Both types of solar wire feature thermoset insulation and jacketing, but PV wire has thicker insulation and jacketing for extra mechanical protection. These components also make PV wire more sunlight resistant and more flexible at low temperatures than USE2 wire. Because PV wire may have an exposed installation where flame can spread easily, it must pass a flame test to make sure it's flame resistant. USE2 doesn't need this because it's generally used underground as recommended by UL. Choosing between USE2 and PV wire will depend on your application. Will it be above ground or below? What are the temperature and voltage requirements? And are you dealing with a grounded or ungrounded array? These questions will help lead you to the right solar cable. For a particularly challenging solar application, we can design custom solar cable for you. We'll help you build a cable from the inside out to ensure that it meets all of your unique specifications. Or take advantage of our value-added services. Customize your order by adding up to 3 stripes per wire, or add custom print, like text, numbers, or even your company logo. We also offer taping, tinning, twisting, cut and strip, and more to save you time and make installation easy. Allied Wire and Cable is a family-owned and operated distributor of electrical wire, electronic cable, heat shrink tubing, and wire management products. We stock the largest inventory of USE2 and PV wire anywhere, along with other products used in the solar and renewable energy industries, all at the lowest prices in the industry. We guarantee that all orders for stock items received by 1 p.m. Eastern Time will ship the same day. And with our locations across the United States, we can ship your orders from the most convenient source. Allied is ISO 9001-2008 certified, so you can rest assured the products you receive will be of the highest quality available. One Allied sales representative handles your account. That means one point of contact and the trust and assurance that comes with having a personal relationship with our customers. Ready to order? Or do you have questions about solar cable or other Allied products? Call 1-888-325-1788 or visit our website at www.awcwire.com.